Guys, it's Corner Bliss and bringing you a Conqueror player pack opening. This guarantees you a 106 to 111 overall player. I don't really know who you can pull from this, but we pull Mike Daniels, non-auctionable, 94 speed. But this is probably my final pack opening on Madden Mobile this year because there's nothing new in this game. And it's about a little less than a month, like 3 weeks till the new game come out. So looking forward to that, and we're going to see a lot of uploads then. I'm up to 104 overall. But this is Conqueror signing out. Peace.